Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. So this video I gonna show you how to make the perfect flat white in the paper cup. So take a look at that one. It's the flat white in the paper cup. So first of all, we need to know about the calibration, about the espresso. And the second part, we need to make the good extreme, good foam for the flat white. So let me for the show how to make a good extreme for the flat white.
At first we will use portafilter. So this is the portafilter. We will make it tire. And we need to take 18 grams of ground coffee. So take a look, we'll take 18 grams of ground coffee in the portafilter. So it's 18.4, so we'll remove little for the make it 18. Okay, now it's 18 grams. So we need to put in the tamper. So the tamper, they're pressing something like that. Oh, this is the coffee for the double shot of espresso. So I am using the scale for the take a look espresso. So espresso should be 28 grams to 36 grams. Espresso now coming 31. So it's good and the foamy. This espresso is very foamy and very good. The standard espresso is 31 grams. So we'll use this espresso for the flat white. So now I gonna take milk in the pitch gel. This is the pitch gel. I'll take the milk. Then I gonna go extreme milk for make good foam for the flat white. So take a look. I put the extremer middle of my pitch gel and my milk is running to round. Should be the milk temperature 55 to 65 degrees Celsius and make it sure the milk is not yet burned. So now I gonna go for the put milk with the espresso. So take a look my coffee and it's done. So this is the flat white, the perfect flat white, and also it's not too much foam.
Thank you so much everyone for watching my